Good day, welcome to the Chalet Trésor des Lacs. Today I'm going to show you how to use the 3 remote controls we need to use in order to make the system TV, audio, and also the cable to work together. So first thing first, this is the Roku TV remote control. This is the first one in order to power on the TV. So really quite simple. You press the blue power, not blue, but red power button, and then the TV will come up. And depending where it was left, so here we see it's the TV. If you click the home button on the Roku, it's gonna go back to the home menu in order to navigate. So you can navigate easily with the Roku with all the arrows from left to right. There is different application on the Roku TV. One is Netflix, obviously, Disney, Spotify, so there's many different applications. Disney Plus, you will need your own account. If an account is already preloaded, please just disconnect from this account just to respect their history. And also Netflix, same thing. So if there's another profile, please disconnect from the Netflix. And then there is the Spotify. So the Spotify, we already have an account, Chalet TV. So you can actually play different music, but you can also connect to your own Spotify if you want. So as you'll see, so I'm gonna play the Spotify right now on the TV Roku. So I'm gonna press OK to start. If there's nothing that plays, it means that you need to activate the second remote control, which is the audio. So quite simple, you power on, you power off with the power here. You're gonna see the on button that will be on, and then the sound will start it. If it's not on the right channel here, the in, if it's in any other sources or any other input, obviously the TV won't work. There is different options. You can actually connect your own cell phone with the Bluetooth option, but to make the TV works, you need to put it at D in, and then as you can hear, Spotify will work. So you want to go back to home, you click home, and then it's going to connect back to the Roku TV home button. So that's conclude the video. I'm going to show in another video how to use the cable with this third remote control. Thank you very much.